Do you come on Monday?
Yes, I come on Monday.
Do you visit Mumbai?
Yes, I visit Mumbai.
Do you like white color?
Yes, I like white color.
Hmm. Do you get up at 6 o'clock?
Yes, I get up at 6 o'clock.
Correct. Do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink milk.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you bring rose? Do you bring rose?
Yes, I bring.
Do you play Coco?
Yes, I play Coco.
Do you read newspaper?
Yes, I read.
Do you eat hodgepodge?
Yes, I
Yes, I eat hodgepodge.
do.
Do you drive car?
Yes, I drive car.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like.
Do you teach in school?
Yes, I teach in school.
Do you clean the computer?
Yes,
अच्छा तसं आहे का समजलं
I clean the computer.